Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Interactive Brokers to NinjaTrader. First, make sure you have both the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation, or TWS, and NinjaTrader installed on your computer. It's crucial to launch TWS and log in completely before attempting to connect NinjaTrader. This ensures that the necessary API services are running smoothly. We'll then adjust a few settings within TWS to allow external applications like NinjaTrader to communicate with it effectively. Now let's configure TWS for API access. Open TWS and navigate to the Global Configuration menu. Under the API section, find Settings. Here, you must check the box to enable ActiveX and socket clients. Next, set the socket port to either 7496 for live trading or 7497 for paper trading. Finally, add 127.0.0.1 to the trusted IP addresses list to allow local connections. With TWS configured, switch over to NinjaTrader. From the Connections menu, select Configure. Click Add to create a new connection. You'll see a list of available brokers. Choose Interactive Brokers. Give your connection a descriptive name, then enter the same socket port number you set in TWS, such as 7496. Ensure the client ID is set to 0 unless you have a specific reason to change it. Finally, let's establish the connection. In NinjaTrader, go back to the Connections menu and select your newly created Interactive Brokers connection. The status indicator should turn green, confirming a successful link. If it doesn't connect, first check the TWS logs for any API error messages. Sometimes, simply restarting both TWS and NinjaTrader in the correct order, TWS first, then NinjaTrader, can resolve common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.